family. Happy Friday. Welcome back. Thank you all for tuning in. If you are new here, welcome. All right, y'all. So today we are going to be making this potent hair growth oil, and for this hair growth oil I'm going to be using my aloe vera, some cloves, and green tea. Green tea is very beneficial for hair growth. If you are experiencing hair loss, use green tea. You can also use the green tea rinse, like you make the tea and then you strain it and use the water after you have washed and conditioned your hair. You can use that if you are experiencing hair loss. I'm using my cloves, like I said, my green tea, and my aloe vera. I'm going to be blending all three of my ingredients, and then I'm going to move on to adding my oils. Alright family, so let's talk about cloves. Do you use cloves? If you do, how often do you use cloves? Cloves is not only for topical reason. Cloves can also be ingested. I usually put cloves in my tea and it has amazing benefits. If you are experiencing bad breath or if you have toothache, you can use cloves. The cloves is going to help with your bad breath and it's also going to help with the pain that comes with the toothache. So I use cloves in my tea as well. And cloves has high level of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth of your hair and also the strength of your hair. It contains anti-inflammatory agents which can help in hair thickening. It also prevents premature growing of your hair and it reduces hair fall. I'm also using my aloe vera here. Aloe vera is one of my favorites, y'all. Not that I don't love the other natural ingredients, but I just love aloe vera. And it's not just for hair. You can use this on your skin if you are experiencing, or if you experience sunburn, you can use it on your sunburn. So I use aloe vera most often for my hair and skin. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. It also eliminates microbial infections. It reduces scalp inflammation and it restores the pH balance on your scalp. It also strengthens weak hair follicles. So if you are experiencing thinning hair, go ahead and apply aloe vera often. This is not a one-time use. If you want to see anything improve or if you want to see growth in anything, you have to be consistent. All right, family. So I'm going to go ahead and blend all of my ingredients and then I'm going to transfer them into the pot. That is where I'm going to add my oils. The oils that I'm using here is going to be my jojoba oil and my olive oil. Alright family, so it's time to add in the oils. I'm going to be adding a half cup of my jojoba oil and also a half cup of my extra virgin olive oil. When I'm done with that, we're going to transfer that to the stove top. It's going to sit there for 25 minutes on low heat. Make sure your stove top is set to low heat, family. Alright y'all, keep watching. family, so the growth oil is ready. This oil is packed with lots of benefits for your hair. You can use this oil as often. It's always good to use oils when you have braids on. Don't leave your hair dry, because when you have braids on, I don't know, but there's no way I can do max with braids. I like to have my hair free to do my hair max. So when you have braids on, make sure you are oiling your hair. Make sure to keep your hair moisturized, okay? And this oil, like I said, it has so many great benefits that it's going to keep your hair intact, okay? So family, I'm going to sift the oil, but I had to sift it twice because the first time it didn't work, all right? I still had some particles in there, so I had to go in another time to sift the oil. After sifting the oil, I'm going to add in my essential oil, and then I'm all done. So keep watching, y'all. Alright family, so it's now time to add in the essential oil. I am using my rosemary oil here. You can use any oil of your choice, any essential oil. I'm going to be using 10 to 15 drops of my essential oil. When I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and apply this oil to my daughter's hair. My daughter has crochet on, so like I said, whenever you have crochet braids or weave, it is always best to keep your hair moisturized. Alright family, you can oil your hair, you can put your hair cream, your hair butter. Just make sure your hair is moisturized so you don't experience hair breakage or hair fall. Alright, this is a powerful oil. It has a lot of great benefits for your hair. If you like the video family, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button to become a member of this amazing family. Love you all. You all have a very blessed weekend. See you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye.